Rockford homeowners experience the full range of Midwest weather, from freezing winters and heavy snow to hot, humid summers. With such dramatic seasonal changes, maintaining a comfortable home while keeping energy costs under control can be a challenge. One of the most effective upgrades homeowners can make is installing energy-efficient windows. These modern windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, minimize drafts, and help your heating and cooling system operate more efficiently throughout the year. Here's how energy-efficient windows can help Rockford homeowners enjoy year-round savings and improved comfort. Better insulation for winter. Energy-saving Rockford winters can be long, cold, and unforgiving. Older or poorly insulated windows allow warm air to escape and cold air to creep in, forcing your furnace to work harder and run longer. Energy-efficient windows help combat winter heat loss through double or triple pane glass. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes. Warm edge spacers that reduce condensation. Low conductivity frame materials. These features dramatically improve your home's insulation. Instead of feeling drafts near your windows or noticing cold spots in certain rooms, you enjoy a more consistent indoor temperature and lower heating bills each month. Reduced heat gain during hot Rockford summers. Summers in Rockford can be warm and humid, which means cooling costs can quickly add up. Energy-efficient windows block excessive heat from entering your home, helping your air conditioner run less frequently. Key summer benefits include low emissivity coatings that reflect heat. UV protection that reduces solar heat gain. Tighter seals that prevent hot air from leaking inside. With less heat entering your home, your cooling system doesn't have to fight the sun all day long. The result? Lower electric bills and a cooler, more comfortable living space. Lower energy bills every season because energy-efficient windows improve insulation and limit unwanted air exchange. They reduce strain on your heating and cooling systems in every season. Homeowners can expect lower furnace usage in winter, reduced air conditioner cycling in summer, more stable indoor temperatures year-round. These savings add up quickly, making energy-efficient windows a smart investment for Rockford residences. Decreased HVAC wear and longer system lifespan. When your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain comfortable temperatures, it experiences less wear and tear. Energy-efficient windows help reduce overuse of heating and cooling equipment, maintain a more balanced indoor environment, decrease maintenance needs, extend the overall lifespan of your HVAC system. This helps Rockford homeowners avoid costly repairs and premature system replacements. Protection against drafts and air leaks. Drafty windows are one of the biggest contributors to high energy bills in older Rockford homes. Air leaks disrupt comfort, allow outside temperatures to influence indoor conditions, and push energy usage higher. With energy-efficient windows, you benefit from tight seals that prevent air infiltration, improved frame construction, multi-layer weather stripping, a consistent barrier against outdoor conditions. Whether it's a windy winter day or humid summer evening, these windows keep your home protected from outdoor air. Long-term savings and increased home value. Energy-efficient windows are not only a cost-saving upgrade, they're also an investment that boosts your home's value. Rockford buyers appreciate homes with modern, efficient features, and windows are one of the upgrades that stand out the most. Long-term value benefits: higher resale value, increased curb appeal, lower monthly energy bills for future owners, reduced maintenance and repair costs. This makes the upgrade financially beneficial both now and in the future. Final thoughts for Rockford homeowners: energy-efficient windows provide comfort, durability, and substantial cost savings throughout the year. With improved insulation, reduced heat transfer, better climate control, and lower utility bills, these windows offer one of the most effective ways to enhance your home's performance.